Welcome to ASCENT TUTOR. Today we'll look at some tips for international students to study in Canada. Canadian universities have proven over the years as popular learning destinations for international students. And international students have always desired to be in Canada. These are 6 reasons why Canada is a top learning destination. There are many scholarship opportunities for international students. Canadian universities have high reputation, have quality education to offer. Their tuition fees are affordable. They have high acceptance rates. There is easy immigration procedures. You can study in English or French. So those are the top 6 reasons why Canada is a good environment for learning. Now let's look at the application requirements. College entrance exams that are needed. You can take the SAT, ACT, A-level, WASI. If you're a graduate student, you need a GRE, which is graduate record exams. You need to have a high GPA, preferably between the range of 3.00 to 4.00. This is because it's used as a measure of your potential to succeed in an academic environment. Having a research experience for graduate applicants will be a key advantage. Also, for graduate applicants, having a published article in a journal before the time of application will also prove favorable. Now, in Ghana, if you have done your national service or in other parts of the world, community service, you need to show that as well in your application, since that will contribute to your admission or acceptance. You need to have a proof of English language proficiency. You can take the IELTS, TOEFL, the DELF, the DALF, the TEF, or the TCF. There are certain documentations that are requisites, like your graduation certificates. You have to also complete an application form. You need to provide your resume. A letter of intent or letter of motivation is also important. You also have to prove an evidence that you can support yourself financially. Bank statements. You need 2 recommendation letters as well. The application deadlines for international students is 1st September, but for those doing masters, it can on 18th of November. However, if you are applying for a bachelor's degree program, then you won't need to do that earlier. After you have succeeded with your application, you need to search for partial or fully funded scholarships. And some tips I would give is for you to apply to schools like McGill's University, University of British Columbia, York University, since these universities have some scholarships, but those are not the institutions that award scholarships. Scholarships are awarded at diverse levels based on programs, based on gender, based on the area of interest of the students, and so on. Some are even based on the talent of the students. There are some that are also given automatically, whether you are good or not. So far as you have applied to that particular institution, you are eligible to it. Some notable scholarships that international students can take advantage of are the University of Toronto International Engineering Scholarships, which awards around $20,000 and is renewable for 4 years. Normally, that particular scholarship is competitive since the recipients are only 17, and it is also eligible to students who are studying engineering in the University of Toronto. There is also ones such as the Venia. That one is awarded to those who want to study for a PhD. The award amount is $50,000 and covers tuition, living expenses, as well as fees. There are some other ones we can talk about for undergrads. You can have the International Entrance Leadership Scholarship. You can have the International Student Scholarship. And all these are given for 4 years. And to maintain it, you have to have a good level of performance. Maintain high academic performance. We have the METAX Accelerate Scholarship, Mission Science Research Program, Veteran Scholarship, and the Western Brain Institute International Fellowship. You can read further on the internet for other scholarship programs, since we cannot exhaust all the amounts of scholarships in Canada. We have the Midlife Opportunities Awards, and we have the Faculty of Arts and Science Scholarships, Faculty of Medicine Internal Awards, Ontario Institute for Studies in Education Awards. And there have so many scholarships we can access. We have International Experience Awards. As I said earlier, there are many, so you just have to take your time through and then see the various scholarships, look at the requirements, and then see if you are eligible. If you are eligible, you can apply. There are quite a lot of Canadian universities with very low tuition fees as compared to other other countries, and I will give you 5 most affordable universities in Canada. Normally, we look at the amount of fees that is charged per year, and we have the Memorial University of Newfoundland, University of Virginia, University of Saskatchewan, the Royal Rose University, and Athabasca University. They are universities with quite low fees, and we can also look at the highest globally ranked universities in Canada. This is based on the World University Rankings for the year 2018 to 2019. And that is accessible on the internet. If you go to cwr.org, you can then go to the Canadian page and see a list of universities that are ranked in Canada based on the quality of tuition, the academic experience, and so when you go there you can see more, but I will just look at the top 10. And on the right shows the position of the university, the Canadian rank, and then the one on the left shows the position of the university globally. We have universities like the University of Toronto ranking first. We have McGill University, University of British Columbia, University of Alberta, University of Montreal, McMaster University, University of Calgary, Western University, University of Ottawa, and University of Manitoba. And all these universities are prestigious universities that one can apply to. As I said earlier, their acceptance rates are high, so the chance of you being accepted into these universities is also very, very high. And I will also give you some tips on other universities that you can apply to, which are also very good. I might have mentioned their names already, but there will be some mostly to since we have mentioned it for the first time. We have University of British Columbia, the Royal Rose University, Thompson Rivers University, Rock University, Mount Allison University, University of Virginia, and University of Toronto. These are choice universities that I would recommend to students from Ghana or other parts of the world who want to benefit from the academic experience, that rich academic experience offers Canada. Okay, so we have been accepted and we have received our acceptance letter, which is our admission letter. And after we've gotten that, we need to then settle our health insurance. We have to get our health insurance sorted out, without which we are not going to be given a steady payment. After we have sorted the insurance out, we go for our Canadian steady permit. It's actually a student visa, but for some countries that are in the European Union, they are not required to have students visa. to access Canadian universities. So for them to the pursuance of the Canadian study permit will not be something that they should be in local. And then after you have sorted out your study permit, you then get your plane ticket, and with that you need to also look at some of the things to travel with. Make sure you have clothing that will cover you very well and help you withstand the cold. That is, if you are going in winter. And when you are filling your bags or you are putting your baggage together, you need to also be careful and make sure you don't take any other person's luggage at the airport or anything. Don't accept to carry someone's luggage for him or her. Just pack your things, take your things, make sure no one gets access to your bags. Check in, you can continue your journey. The pictures used for this production are actually license free, and it is made available courtesy of Splash, which is the internet source for free usable movies. It's powered by creators from every part of the world. Now, if there is any topic you want the tutor to cover or any clarifications on this particular video, you can feel free to comment, and also you can like and share our videos. Other international students can get to see them and then also make informed decisions on their study in Canada. Thanks for having time